Okay, so I did one round of this and then it froze. So we're going to try again and hopefully it doesn't freeze this time. So this is the stage. First we have the jump height test. They're in increments of 1/2 meter. And so they are colored. Basically everything on this stage is colored according to like ability. So like this, we can't get up. In the case of the highest one, we can't even really see over it. This, I think if we can like almost get over it. This we can, but you have to be kind of right up against it. If you're a little further back, you just don't have enough. Well, it's difficult. So the green is like the absolute easiest, definitely can do under every circumstance. Next, we have, there it is, the walk angle test. So we have 3, 15 degrees, which is almost flat, 30 degrees, which is still quite easy, and then 45 degrees, which we can't do. Next, we have stairs. So we have 2, which that's not stairs. We have 6, which we still have to jump up. We have 12, which is kind of our sweet spot. And then we have 24, which works. It's dumb to have a million stairs if you don't need them. So like from both an aesthetic and a practical standpoint, this is what makes the most sense, is the 12. And finally, we have the jump length test. So an issue I've been having with this is the camera is high enough off the ground, it has a narrow enough focus that I can't really tell where my feet are or where my feet would be. So like, I can definitely make this jump. I just jumped way too early because I don't know where I am. So that is a thing I have to figure out. Yeah, like I know I can make this. I jumped too early and then I can't. So, this one, depending on how smart I am about jumping, I can do at a walk. These 2 I definitely can. I just keep messing up because I don't know where my feet are, or where my feet would be if this wasn't just a camera. At a run, can do that, can do that, can do that, can do that, cannot do that. The red one cannot be done under any circumstances. It's just too big. So that's everything. Triggers for each of the descriptions. I didn't include a trigger to turn them back off because it's just a lot of work. So you can see that they're all still there. And that's everything.